3 steps to make chili oil noodles. Ingredients: 11.5 grams garlic, 45 grams scallions, 3.5 grams sesame seeds, 2 to 3 grams chili powder, 17 grams light soy sauce, 5.5 grams vinegar, 10 to 15 grams oil, 100 and 120 grams dry wild noodles. Step 1. Preparation. Quick tip: keep a bowl for scraps, easier clean up. Crush the garlic. Chop the scallions. Set aside the sesame seeds and chili powder. Have the vinegar, soy sauce, and oil ready. Step 2. Cook the noodles. Boil dry white noodles for 8 minutes. Add the scallions, sesame seeds, crushed garlic, and chili powder on top. Step 3. Pour the hot oil. Low heat. When you see ripples and light smoke, turn it off. Pour the hot oil directly over the noodles. Add vinegar and soy sauce. Mix well. And we are done. Time to enjoy.